Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation. Things are changing from the outside because things have changed on the inside. You outgrown places, things, hobbies, financial abundance. You're going to a bigger place, more responsibility because you become wiser and stronger. And when you become wiser and stronger, that means that you can carry more weight. That means the bigger the blessing can come in and you'll be able to sustain it. I'm constantly evolving. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses, refining my strengths. Therefore, I become an all-powerful being. Life ensures I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding and strength. That is the remedy for going from the studio apartment to the penthouse, to the beachfront mansion, to the 100 acres of land to be passed down generation to generation. I'm aware of my progress and I open my wings to light. Therefore, I'm transformed to a newer, stronger, and wiser being. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.